Hello friends! Welcome to Adventures in Food with Howard. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. This is going to be my contribution to the #Mayo collab. In the first part of this video, I will show you just how easy it is to make homemade mayonnaise. You can make it in a regular blender or a food processor, but it is especially easy if you use an immersion blender. The complete recipe is shown in the description box. Making homemade mayonnaise is as easy as measuring all your ingredients into your container and blending. 1 extra large egg, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard along with a pinch of either cayenne pepper or, in my case, a few drops of sriracha sauce, seasoned to taste with salt and a pinch of onion powder. Add about 1 1/4 cups of flavorless oil and then you're ready to blend. Put the immersion blender all the way to the bottom of the container. Turn the blender on and pull the stick up through the oil, and in a matter of seconds you will have delicious and creamy homemade mayonnaise. I'll be loading a new, more detailed video on making homemade mayonnaise that will include some tips and tricks on making perfect mayo that I didn't have time to include here. Well, once you have homemade mayonnaise, what do you do with it? How about making some homemade ranch dip using the mayonnaise you just made as the base? Now, ranch dip may seem like it has a lot of ingredients, but it uses most things that you're likely to have on hand. The complete ingredient list will be shown below in the description box. All you have to do is measure out your ingredients into a mixing bowl. It begins with the homemade mayonnaise that you just made, along with sour cream and buttermilk. Your seasonings include salt, ground black pepper, dill weed, onion powder, garlic powder, and dried parsley flakes. Lastly, you'll need some vinegar, a few drops of Worcestershire sauce, and a few drops of sriracha sauce. Stir all these ingredients together and make sure everything is thoroughly blended. Give it a quick taste for salt and pepper, and then pour it into your serving bowl, and you will have the most delicious ranch dip you have ever tasted. It's even better if you cover it and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least an hour or more before serving. Serve this as a dip for vegetables, chicken wings, or even as a sandwich spread. You can also thin this with a little bit of milk to make it more pourable and use it as a salad dressing. The uses for ranch dip and dressing is limited only by your imagination. Finally, I use my homemade mayonnaise as food glue. Previously, I posted a video of my crispy panko breaded oven-baked chicken. Today, I'm going to make that recipe even easier by coating the seasoned chicken pieces with my homemade mayo instead of dipping the chicken into beaten egg. I then coat the chicken in the toasted panko breading and bake it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until the chicken is done. This chicken will be crispy and flavorful on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside. I will leave the ingredient list in the description box below, and you can see the original video on my YouTube channel. Homemade mayonnaise is so easy to make, and I hope you'll give these recipes a try. Using this French mother sauce as a base ingredient, there are literally hundreds of uses for mayonnaise. I hope you've enjoyed this video and will consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. Please also give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I love hearing from all of you. Thank you for watching Adventures in Food with Howard, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.